Good morning, madam.
May it please, my lord.
So, Mr. Okello, I am supposed to read to you the charges that have been brought before against you, but I want to first tell you that you are entitled to legal representation as a right that is provided by the Constitution, and 2 lawyers have been assigned to represent you. I want you to confirm to this court whether you have met them or they have met you.
Yes, I will confirm to the court that I have met and I'm appointed with the lawyers.
Could you please speak a little louder?
Yes, my lord. I will confirm that I am acquainted with my lawyers, my legal representation.
Okay. I also need to tell you that under the Constitution, you are presumed innocent until you either plead guilty yourself or the prosecution proves you guilty. So I want you to know that you have that right.
Yes, my lord. I know now that I have that right, yes.
Okay. So, having told you of those rights, I will also advise you that after you have, I have read the charges to you, if you feel like you want to sit down, we can provide a chair for you and you proceed while seated. Okay?
Yes, okay.
And in the event that you want to say anything, you can speak through your lawyers, or you can raise your hand and speak directly to the court.
Yes, okay, my lord.
Okay. So I now want you to listen very carefully the charges that have been brought against you. You are charged in four counts, and the first count is a charge of murder. It is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, are those your names?
Yes, my lord, those are my names.
Okay. That on the 2nd day of April 2026, at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindia Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Eteku Gideon. What this offense means is that you, with intention, you unlawfully caused the death of this person called Eteku Gideon. So have you heard that charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
You've heard the charge. Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord.
You've understood it?
Yes, I did. I understood it.
Is it true?
Do you mean, my lord, to ask me for the plea?
Sorry?
The plea?
You want to speak to your lawyers?
Yeah, yes,
Please.
just 1 minute, please.
Mr. Okello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty. Okay, I have entered a plea of not guilty on count 1.
Christopher Okello Onyum bamuvunaana emisango eryena okusooka gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Center Ggaba Parish Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta ettiku Gideon. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye nga si kituufu.
Mr. Okello, we are going to the second count, and it is also a charge of murder. It is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. And the particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Keisha Agenworth Otim. And what this offense means is that you intentionally killed or caused the death of this person called Keisha Agenworth Otim. Mr. Okello, have you had the charge?
Oh, yes, my lord. I've had the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord. I have understood the charge.
And how do you plead? How do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
Okay, I've also entered a plea of not guilty on count 2 for you.
Omusango gw'okubiri nagwe gwa butemu era nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 ku Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Center, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta Keisha Agenworth Otim. Era bamubuuziza omusango oba aguwulidde n'agamba aguwulidde naye n'agamba teyagukola.
Okay. So, Mr. Okello, we go to the third count or the third offense. It is also a charge of murder, contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap or Chapter 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, Okello, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Seryange Ignatius. And what this offense means is that with intention, you caused the death or you killed Seryange Ignatius. Mr. Okello, have you heard that charge?
Yes, yes, my lord, I've heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, yes, my lord, I've understood the charge.
Mr. Okello, how do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
Okay, I've also entered a plea of not guilty for this count as well.
Omusango gwokusatu era nagwo gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta Seryange Ignatius. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba agulidde naye mbu teyagukola.
Mr. Okello, the last count or the last charge is also a charge of murder, and it is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, chapter 128. And the particulars of this offense are that you, Okello, Christopher Okello Onyum, on the 2nd day of April 2026, Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division in Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Odeke Ryan. Mr. Okello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, yes, I've understood the charge, my lord.
How do you plead, Mr. Okello?
My lord, I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
So, Mr. Okello, I have also entered a plea of not guilty on the last count, count 4.
Omusango gwokuna era nagwo gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 Ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District ng'olina ekigendererwa watta Odeke Ryan. Era bamubuuziza n'agamba nti omusango aguwulidde naye teyagukola.
My Lord, we have some agreed evidence between prosecution and the defense. My learned colleague will present it.
Before then, I want to hear from the defense whether it is true you have some agreed evidence.
My Lord, it is true we have some agreed evidence to be on court record.
Ms. Kiza, before you come on, I want to hear from you, Mr. Kumbuga, whether you have discussed those agreed facts with Mr. Okello.
My Lord, it is true we have discussed the agreed facts with the accused person, and he consented to it.
Mr. Okello, your lawyers and the lawyers for the state are saying that there is some evidence they have agreed upon. And what that means is that when they agree on some piece of evidence, there will be no need to call the witnesses that speak to that kind of evidence. The witnesses may not need to be called physically. So your lawyer tells me that he has explained that to you. I want you to confirm to the court that they have explained that and you are agreeable to having this evidence admitted.
Yes, my lord. I'll confirm that my lawyer has explained to me the facts about the agreed evidence, and yes, it should be usable in court. Yeah, that's what I would say, my lord.
Baloya aba gavumenti ne baloya ba Mr. Christopher Okello Onyum balina obujulizi bwe bakanyizawo nti babuleete mu kooti ng'ebizibiti. Kino bakikola obutayagala kuyita abajulizi aboogera obujulizi obukwata ku buwandiiko oba obujulizi bwe bakanyizaako kuleeta mu kooti.
So as that evidence is being read out, I want you to listen very carefully, because at the end of it, I will require all of us to sign on that document which has agreed evidence. So please listen carefully.